Pragati here, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing an unboxing of a Reverie luxury box. It is basically a beauty box. It is a beauty subscription box. So they have actually started it this month. So yes guys, this is the box. It actually comes with your name. The box looks really cute and sturdy. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. So let's get into the unboxing. So yes, the box looks like this. And it actually has a note and the various products. So let's start with the note first. The note, look at it guys, the note looks really pretty and really unique. It is burnt from both the sides and I'm really liking it. So it says, sending truckload of thanks from Reverie Box on behalf of your skin for choosing yourself first. So yes, the first product is by Saint Pure Thai Lemon Foot Cream. It's a foot cream and it smells like Ayurvedic, but it looks really buttery, so I guess it will be really moisturizing. So I'll be definitely giving a shot to this thing. The next product is from Vana Vidhi, the lemongrass foot scrub. Again, the packaging is cute. It smells like lemongrass and I'll be again giving a shot to this product definitely. The third product is by Roots Magic. It's their clarifying face mask and it is for 30 grams. And guys, this bottle comes with a cork. So how unique is this packaging? So yes, I actually like face mask a lot, so I'll be definitely trying this one as well. And let's see the fourth product, which is face oil. It is from Apricot Face Oil. The packaging looks really classy to me and it comes with a dropper, so it is very nice and easy to use. We can actually mix it with a moisturizer and it actually works wonders for dry skin, so I'll definitely give a shot to this thing. The last is this soap from them. It is a soap square in the flavor of red roses with shea butter. And guys, look at this soap. How cute is this soap? And it actually smells like roses. I am actually not a big fan of soaps, but yes, I'll definitely give a shot to this one. So yes guys, it actually comes with an end of this unboxing. So I'll be actually sharing all the links of this box in the description box down below, so please don't forget to check it out. And yes guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.